Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for Dentists. Dental Guide to Call Tracking. Learn how call tracking can deliver the missing insights that your dental practice needs to better engage your target audience and increase your marketing ROI. Why your dental office needs call tracking. How call tracking informs your marketing spend. With a call tracking system in place, you can see at a glance which ads and channels are leading to phone calls and which are not. You can make decisions faster and with more authority, tweak advertisement spending to better serve your goals, and leverage call recordings to convert more leads through superior customer service. How call tracking works. Call tracking software matches incoming phone calls directly to online and offline marketing campaigns, thereby taking the guesswork out of evaluating the success of marketing ads. Using a technique called dynamic number insertion, call tracking software shows a specific phone number to every visitor, and depending on your setup, can even change according to the source of traffic. The CallRail platform builds on call tracking to provide an entire suite of integrated tools that makes marketing your business and turning leads into loyal customers a cinch. Unlock the complete CallRail platform. Call tracking, form tracking, conversation intelligence, lead center. Add Lead Center to unlock the complete CallRail platform. With Lead Center, you can sell, text, and chat from one easy-to-use form inbox. Combined with our analytics suite, you'll also have the real-time visibility to know which marketing sources are making your phone ring. 10 local numbers, 1,000 form submissions, 10,000 transcription minutes, unlimited soft phone minutes, unlimited SMS text messages. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.